it's Jennifer. Today is Monday, June 24th, and today I'm going to give a report about the Patio Princess. So this is mine. These are two plants together. At first, the tomatoes that came off this plant were horrible tasting, dry and mealy, and now that they've gotten some sun and some warmth, the tomatoes coming off this plant are now firm and juicy, and I wouldn't say they've gotten any sweeter, but the texture makes a big difference, so the tomatoes taste cleaner, and given that, I can now recommend this plant. My plant is currently about 26 to 27 inches tall, and this is all the tomatoes that these two plants are going to produce. So as of now, I am planning succession planting to replace these two plants with something else. I will probably replace these with another small variety for testing. So basically, Patio Princess, it's a good small variety of tomato. The tomatoes basically are from 1 to 4 ounces, so not too big. And what we plan to do, since we can't eat all these tomatoes at once, is can them as either whole or halved, and we'll use them later on when the tomatoes aren't in season for cooking. So usually from late fall to early summer over the next year, we'll go ahead and use these tomatoes for cooking sauces and whatnot. So this is the Patio Princess.